Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Now let's dive in. Want to hear something might surprise you? Once we hit 50, our muscle mass begins to shrink at a rate of approximately 1% per year. Yes, it's an unfortunate fact of getting older. As we age, muscle atrophy, the process where our muscles deteriorate, begins to outstrip muscle growth. It's a natural part of aging, but it's far from enjoyable. Picture the feeling of your morning cup of coffee feeling like a heavy weight, or the stairs that once posed no challenge now leave you winded. This is the harsh truth of sarcopenia, the scientific term for muscle loss. What triggers this change? A combination of factors: hormonal changes, a decrease in physical activity, and changes in protein metabolism all play a part. As we age, our bodies gradually lose their ability to construct and preserve muscle. This is due largely to a reduced production of growth hormones and insulin-like growth factors, both vital for muscle health. Further complicating matters is our tendency to lead a more sedentary lifestyle as we age, which can hasten muscle loss. Our eating habits can also be a culprit. Without sufficient protein and essential nutrients, our bodies struggle to build and repair muscle tissue effectively. Why should this muscle loss concern you? Because muscles aren't just for show. They are critical to our ability to move, our strength, and our overall health. They enable us to perform daily activities, from carrying groceries to ascending stairs, and they play a pivotal role in maintaining our balance and preventing falls, which can be a significant risk as we get older. But don't despair, there are methods to preserve your muscle health even beyond 50. The secret lies in recognizing the changes your body is undergoing and taking proactive measures to combat them. And that's exactly what we'll be covering in the following segments. So keep watching for some useful advice on preserving muscle health as you grow older. The secret to maintaining muscle health, it's simpler than you think. Yes, it's true. There's no magical pill or secret formula. It all boils down to three essential elements: a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate rest. Let's start with a balanced diet. Your kitchen plays a critical role in maintaining muscle health. Consider it your personal pharmacy. You're the pharmacist, and your prescriptions are the foods you consume. You must ensure you're getting the right mix of nutrients, especially protein, which is the building block of muscles. But remember, balance is key. While protein is important, your body also needs carbohydrates for energy and fats for essential functions. Next on the list is regular exercise. We're not talking about running marathons or lifting weights that would make a bodybuilder blush. No, it's about regular, moderate exercise that challenges your muscles and keeps them active. You could go for a brisk walk, take a yoga class, or even dance around your living room. The goal is to move your body and engage your muscles regularly. Finally, we come to rest. This might seem counterintuitive, but rest is just as important as exercise when it comes to maintaining muscle health. When you exercise, you're actually creating tiny tears in your muscles. It's during rest that your body repairs these tears, making your muscles stronger in the process. So make sure you're getting enough sleep and taking rest days between vigorous workouts. Now remember, these three elements are intertwined. A balanced diet provides the nutrients your muscles need to function and grow. Regular exercise stimulates your muscles and promotes growth, and rest allows your body to repair and strengthen your muscles. It's a cycle, and each part of the cycle is equally important. So there you have it. The secret to maintaining muscle health isn't so secret after all. It's about balance, regularity, and rest. Each of these steps plays a vital role in keeping your muscles healthy and strong. Let's talk about protein. It's not just for bodybuilders, you know. Protein is like the building block of your body, and it plays a critical role in maintaining muscle health. It helps repair and build tissues, and it's also necessary for the production of enzymes, hormones, and other bodily chemicals. As we age, our muscle mass naturally declines. This is a process known as sarcopenia. But don't worry, there's a way to combat this, and protein is a major player in the game. Consuming the right amount of protein can help slow down muscle loss and promote muscle growth even as you age. So you might be wondering, how much protein do I need? The answer depends on your weight, age, and activity level. However, a general guideline for middle-aged adults is to aim for around 5 to 7 ounces of protein-rich foods each day. Think lean meats, fish, eggs, and dairy products. But don't forget about plant-based sources too. Legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are also packed with protein. It's also important to note that protein intake should be spread throughout the day rather than consumed in one large meal. This helps to maximize muscle protein synthesis, or in simpler terms, it helps your body make the most of the protein you're eating. But protein isn't just about quantity. Quality matters too. High-quality proteins provide all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle tissue. Look for lean, unprocessed sources of protein for the best bang for your nutritional buck. And finally, remember that protein is just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet combined with regular exercise is crucial for overall muscle health. It's not about eating protein-rich foods alone, but incorporating them into a well-rounded, nutrient-dense diet. Remember, protein is your muscle's best friend. Make sure you're getting enough of it. We're now going to explore the realm of exercise, a mystical element for your muscles. Picture, if you might, a world in which the fountain of youth is not a distant fantasy, but a practical and reachable aspect of everyday life. This is what exercise can provide for your muscles. It's not about chasing after the physique of a bodybuilder or an Olympian, but instead aiming for the maintenance of strength, flexibility, and overall health. Frequent exercise is a fundamental aspect of muscle health. It's akin to providing your muscles with their favorite nourishment. They yearn for it. They flourish with it. Without it, they might grow weaker, lose flexibility, and become more prone to injury. But with regular exercise, they continue to be robust, flexible, and resilient even as time marches on. Now let's look at some workouts that are beneficial for muscle health. Strength training takes the forefront here. It focuses directly on your muscles, aiding in maintenance and muscle mass development. Strength training exercises include weightlifting, resistance bands, or bodyweight workouts like push-ups and squats. However, it's not entirely about lifting weights. Cardio exercises such as brisk walking or cycling also play a crucial role. They enhance your cardiovascular health, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. Then there are flexibility and balance exercises. Even though they may not bulk up your muscles, they are pivotal for maintaining mobility and preventing falls. Consider practices like yoga, tai chi, or simple stretching routines. Each of these exercise forms brings a unique benefit, a different kind of sustenance for your muscles. It's like a balanced diet for your body, and similar to nutrition, the secret lies in balance and consistency. Moderation of each, performed regularly, yields substantial results. Remember, it's never too late to commence. Even if you've never stepped foot inside a gym, you can still harvest the benefits of exercise. All about making that initial move, followed by the next and then the subsequent one. Never undervalue the impact of a solid workout. It's indispensable for keeping your muscles vigorous and healthy. We're halfway through our guide. If you're finding this helpful, remember to subscribe and hit the like button. Now back to our muscle magic. And finally, let's not forget about rest. It's often overlooked, but it's just as important. We all know the saying, work hard, play hard. But what about rest hard? It's the secret ingredient in the recipe for maintaining healthy muscles, especially as we age. When we talk about muscle health, we usually focus on exercise and diet. But rest is equally significant. It's during those quiet hours of slumber, or even just sitting still, that our bodies get to work repairing and rejuvenating our muscles. Imagine your muscles as a busy construction site. Exercise is like the demolition crew, breaking down old structures. Protein from your diet is the raw material arriving for the new building. And rest? Rest is the construction crew that gets to work building stronger, healthier muscles with that protein. Without adequate rest, your body simply can't keep up with the repairs. It's like trying to build a skyscraper with a single construction worker. It's not going to happen, no matter how much raw material you have. Getting enough sleep is crucial. While we snooze, our bodies produce human growth hormone, or HGH, which plays a key role in muscle growth and repair. Lack of sleep can lead to decreased production of HGH, which can hinder your muscle maintenance efforts. But rest doesn't just mean sleep. It also includes taking days off from intense exercise to let your muscles recover. This doesn't mean lounging on the couch all day, though. Light activities like walking or stretching can help promote blood circulation and speed up muscle recovery. So, next time you're planning your workout regimen or meal plan, make sure to schedule in some quality rest time. It's the overlooked ingredient that could make all the difference in maintaining your muscle health as you age. So don't skimp on your sleep. Your muscles need it just as much as they need exercise and a good diet. All right, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We began our journey by acknowledging the unsettling truth about aging muscles. Remember, As we age, our muscles naturally lose their strength and flexibility. But that doesn't mean we're doomed to frailty, quite the opposite, in fact. We then unveiled the secret to maintaining muscle health, and it's not as complicated as you might think. It all boils down to a trifecta of balance: a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate rest. The power of protein took the spotlight next. This vital nutrient is the building block of our muscles. As we age, our bodies need more protein to help preserve muscle mass. So don't shy away from protein-rich foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, and legumes. Moving on, we delved into your daily dose of muscle magic. Regular exercise, especially strength training and flexibility exercises, play a crucial role in maintaining muscle health. But don't think you need to become a gym rat overnight. Start small and gradually increase your activity level. Remember, consistency trumps intensity. We also highlighted the overlooked ingredient in the muscle maintenance recipe: rest. Our bodies need time to recover and rebuild after workouts, so ensure you're getting enough sleep and taking rest days in between intense workout sessions. And let's not forget the importance of staying hydrated and maintaining a positive mindset. Both are equally crucial. After all, our bodies are about 60% water, and our minds govern how we perceive and respond to the world around us. And there you have it. Keep these points in mind and your muscles will thank you even after you've hit the big 5-0. That concludes our guide for today. Don't forget, if you found this information useful, to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. We've navigated together through the terrain of aging muscles and the significance of preserving their health beyond 50. This isn't simply about fitness or aesthetics, it's about safeguarding your quality of life, your autonomy, and your overall health. Let's backtrack and highlight the crucial points we've discussed. The key to preserving muscular health is a holistic approach involving proper nutrition, sufficient exercise, and a conscious lifestyle. Protein, the bedrock of muscle health, forms every cell, every fiber in your body, so ensure you're including enough in your meals. Lean meats, dairy, eggs, and plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas, these are your muscles' allies. But nutrition isn't the final stop. Daily exercise, particularly strength training, is vital. It keeps your muscles engaged, robust, and supple. The focus isn't on weightlifting or marathon running, but on consistency and dedication. So, whether it's a brisk park walk, some pool laps, or a calming yoga session, ensure you're moving every day. Water, the frequently forgotten ingredient, is crucial for all bodily functions, including muscle health. So don't skimp on the hydration. Last but not least, pay heed to your body. Provide it the rest it needs, the care it merits. Don't overexert too quickly. Be kind to yourself. Ultimately, maintaining your muscle health after 50 isn't a finish line but a path. It's about implementing minor, sustainable lifestyle modifications, changes that will keep you robust, lively, and radiant for numerous years. Recall, age is merely a number. By taking the correct measures, you can preserve your muscle health and remain vigorous and active even post-50. After all, you're not merely aging, you're transforming, and with each succeeding year, you're blossoming into an improved, more resilient version of yourself.